Welcome to part 2 stories of the Nairobi National Museum. This is a continuation video from the video we did last week on what to expect when you visit the Nairobi National Museum. Well, Snake Park is also on the same grounds and have a diverse range of snakes adapted to various types of habitats, including the non-venomous ones, the least venomous ones, and the most venomous ones. These include one of the African's most venomous snake, that is the black mamba. Majorly, this snake is not black in color, they are always gray, and the name originated from the color of their mouth when they feel threatened or when they feel cornered. Aside from that, you'll get to see one of the oldest tortoise. And if you ever wondered how you calculate the number of years of tortoise, you just count the number of lines in their boxes, the entire body, then you divide by 2, you'll actually get the accurate number of years of that specific tortoise. So next time, don't say you don't know how to count the number of years of a tortoise. They also have an Egyptian cobra in one of the cages, and the name originated from a story of an Egyptian princess whose employees decided to gift her, and so what they did is that they put a cobra on the box and wrapped it carefully, and it was delivered to her home. Since no one was there to help her unwrap the gift, she decided to do it herself, and she was bitten and died of a snake venom, giving the rise of a name, the Egyptian cobra. All of these snake species are in cages except for the python, that which is normally held by visitors for cool pictures. So if you are in Africa and you have never seen an alligator and you would wish to see one, Kenya should be your dream destination. And I know you might be wondering, what's the difference between an alligator and a crocodile? Worry not, we'll tell you the difference. It's always seen in their bodies, their mouth, and their teeth. For a crocodile, they have a V-shaped mouth, but for an alligator, their mouth is U in shape. It's a U-shaped. And in their bodies, a crocodile is always lighter in color, but for an alligator, it's always dark in color. For a crocodile, they have an interlocking teeth, but for an alligator, they do not. Now you know the difference. Next time, you'll be able to differentiate between the alligator and a crocodile.
Inapenda kuendeza is one of the deadly snakes in Africa.
On the outside cages, you will see a variety of reptiles, including the red-eyed turtle, which is mostly adapted to salty waters but can survive in fresh waters due to their adaptability. You'll have once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to see the African and the only alligator found in Africa, which is 57 years old. A section of Snake Park is set aside for an aquarium that houses most of the local fish species, but also the unusual ones. For example, the European eel. Fun fact, they die after mating. But when caged, they can stay for more than 8 years, and one of the most recorded number of years was 150. You'll also get a rare opportunity to see the lungfish. Mostly they are adapted to seasonal rivers, but they have an ability to burrow themselves for up to 2 years. This is the end of the stories from the Nairobi National Museum. We have just highlighted some, but if you are planning to visit there in person, or if you're planning to visit Kenya, consider it on your to-do list. I'm very sure you'll get a memorable experience. There are also some Maasai shops where you'll get to buy some cool shukas, the kiondos, and the paintings from the local community. Support a business. But as always, from me to you, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Tell a friend to subscribe to the channel. Welcome to the community. I love you all. This is a community where we help each other face their fears as we face our own. It's always cool being with you. Let's meet in the next experience. From me to you, stay safety. Mimi niko safety. See you then. Bye.